Hello everyone. Hope you all are well. So in today's video I will talk about the Pixelverse mining project. This is a 100% verified project, none of you will miss it. Everyone will join. So in today's video I will discuss Pixelverse Spot Join, daily combo, daily reward, wallet connect and how to earn the most coins. Watch the video till the end, I hope you will understand. In the beginning, to join Pixelverse bot, you will go to the video description box or the first comment. There you will get the link of the Telegram post. If you click on the link, you will be taken to the Telegram channel. After going to Telegram, all of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel will join to get all the updates. You can see this post after joining the channel. Click on join link here. Then click on start button. Here you can click on either launch bot or fight for supply. Start again from here. See, our Pixelverse homepage is here. Here you all can claim coin here every 8 hours. So first you click on the reward option. After that, see here there are two options, daily reward and daily combo. You can claim daily reward from here. Click on claim option. See our coin claim. Then exit from here. Well, after claiming daily reward, daily combo will come to this option. Click on play option from here. Daily combo will be shared on our Telegram channel. You will see from there. So for today's combo, first it needs to be dragged and released. Then this, and finally this. I show you. First let's drag and drop it. Then drag it and drop it here. Now drag it and drop it here and finally drag it and drop it. After that, click on the check option and claim. Then you will come to this task option from here. Look, there are many tasks here. I am showing you one by one. For example, join Telegram channel, click here. Then click start. Join the Telegram channel. Mute it. Get out of here. Well, after completing these tasks, click on this option and go to the homepage again. Here you need to upgrade the level to increase your daily income. So for this you will click on the fight option. Here you will click on this upgrade option. Check here level up for 5,000 coins, click here. See, we've moved from level 1 to level 2. Then click on got it. So the more you upgrade the level, the more your daily income will increase. Upgrade to at least level 10. Well, you can earn by fighting here. Click on this option. So there is a possibility of losing coins, so you should avoid it. So in this way you can claim coin here every 8 hours. Now I will show you how to connect wallet. For this, click on this wallet option above. Select Binance from here. If you have a Binance account, select Binance. If not, connect Bybit or any other exchanger. Then click on yes, I have it. Then paste the USDT ERC20 deposit address of Binance here. Now we will go to Binance to get the address. After Binance arrived, click on deposit options above. After that, go to search option and type USDT and search. Click here. See here showing many addresses. But our USST ERC20 address is this address. Click here. So this is the deposit address. Copy the address from here. Click here to copy. Copy done. Then we will go to Pixelverse bot again. Here we will paste the address. Then click here. Then click on gotcha option. See, our wallet is connected. In this way you will be connected to the wallet. So that's it for today's video, I hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. And join our Telegram channel to get daily latest updates of verified airdrops. Link is given in video description and first comment seen in the next video. Until then everyone stay well, stay healthy. Thanks everyone.